Good morning, Sonia and Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. We are again in Auburndale Young baseball field, concession cleaning. So Sonia is spraying the degreaser with some foam action into the floor mats because we have to disinfect, and not only that, remove the grease that is on the floor mat. We remove the tables. The floor is really greasy. Black. This area is super greasy. So we're gonna clean the stainless steel table. The walls here. We always do this kind of job. We usually come to this concession 4 times a year, and we bring all our equipment. She's gonna put some degreaser on the floor. Este es el vapor que utilizamos para desinfectar. Este es humo. Okay, we put the floor mats to dry. We are in the Young Field baseball in Auburndale. We already finished to clean all the commercial floor mats from the kitchen area from this concession center. And Sonia is soft washed this area, so everything is gonna be clean. super clean. Everything is clean. The floor, no grease. We have to vacuum this area and that's it. Everything came really good. The floor, the rubber floor mats came really good without grease. Everything is excellent. Smells good. Everything is clean. Anyhousecleaning.com, Sonia and Fiorella 407-572-4118. Thank you.